Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can navigate Google Classroom better to make sure that you can see all the assignments that your teacher's set for you and you know where to look for any announcements. So this is where you'll find it on a PC. It's best to open the Chrome browser because you're using Google Apps here, and it will be in the top right corner in this area for the apps here at the top. So if we click on that, we can see all of the apps. I'm going to click on Google Classroom. On Google Classroom on your PC, this is what you will see. You'll see all of your classes. And I'm just going to click on one class, which is my made-up class. And you will see there's lots of information on this first page. So this is what we call the stream. So as soon as any announcements or assignments or anything goes up, it will appear on the stream. So this is a really good place to see things as it happens, but over time things will start to move further and further down the stream and you will lose track of where things go. The most organised place to find your work is going to be on the classwork page. Okay, so here you will see all your topics and assignments set up, and it will be in a much more organised way. So you can see your classwork, any assessments, anything like that. You'll also be able to see the grades because I'm a teacher, I can see the people, but you'll be able to see your grades and you would be able to sort of see anything that you have handed in, anything that's been marked. Yours will look a little bit different to mine, but those will be the areas that you should be looking for. Your teacher will probably put materials on here that are useful. You'll notice there's different symbols depending on whether things are assignments, whether they are materials. So that will help you to know what is needed as well.